How to record on Insta360 X5. So first of all, once your device is turned on, you can see a circle button on your device. All you would have to do is press on it. Now you can see that the video has been started to record. In order to stop the recording, tap on the circle button again. Now the video recording has been stopped and is saved to your device. Now, in order to find the saved video, on your screen, just swipe towards the right-hand side. From here, you can find all the saved videos and photos. Now, in order to find other videos or photos, tap on this drop-down button. From here, you can choose any of these options of video or photo and see required video or photo according to your choice. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.